Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, my name is Sayyid Rahman. I'm student of grade 9 IT Indian School, Doha, Qatar. Today, we are going to start the question number 4 from exercise 1.5. And the question is represent root 9.3 on the number line. Okay, now basically we have done this in our first or second exercise, right? So we had some questions based on number line. So we had to represent them on the number line. Like for example, represent root 5 on the number line, represent root 3 on the number line. So now we have represent root 9.3 on the number line. So this question is also similar type of question. So basically what we do is, let's first take a line, right? We first take a line from A to O and then write it, and then we add one more centimeter over here, right? Yes. Then we make with the use of compass right here in the middle or somewhere, we make some arcs, right? Here two arcs, and then we make a straight line, right? A straight line, and then we make a semicircle, a half semicircle. And now we had completed the half semicircle. But before that, how did we get all this? So let x be let x is equals to 9.3. Okay, so if we take x as 9.3, then that will be like we can apply Pythagoras theorem on the angle COP. Now what is angle COP? Angle OP and PC, right? So this is forming a triangle. So apply Pythagoras theorem on triangle COP. Now what is the Pythagoras theorem? So the Pythagoras theorem is height square is equals to base, hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square, right? The altitude square. So I will represent that B. Okay, P. Okay, now we have CP square. Now what is the value of hypotenuse? This is CP square, right? Y square, because we are already having a square in the formula. Then OC. Now OC is OC or CO. Both that is base, right? Base square. So this is OC square, and then we have OP square. Okay, OP square. Now what is OP square? OP square is this, right? So we have to find the altitude. Alright. Now what we will do? We will transpose this, right? We can transpose this OP square over here and write it as CP square plus OC square. Or this was okay. So now we have OP square and all the formulas, right? So now what we did was, before going there, we took like we had a compass over here and marking the compass on the O, making the pointing the pencil on the P, we made an arc like this, right? An arc, and that point is on the number line. We can just write it as the numbers. Okay, and then so this will be on the number line, right? So here this point is over root 9.3. Now we have found root 9.3, but we have to find the formula also, right? So now we have OP square is equals to x plus 1. Okay, why x plus 1? Because here we have x, right? So here in the starting we took one line, and then this was half, so x plus 1, and then square is as it is, whole square by 2. Why by 2? Because that is only a half, right? That is only a half, so by 2, total by 2. And now here we are having opposite, OC. So OC, right? OC, so that is also opposite. Now this will be x minus 1. Okay, x minus 1 by 2 whole square. Now OP is equals to x square. Now we are going to open the brackets and do the simplification. So x square, this will be as it is, then x into 2 will be 2x, and then plus, now 1 into 1 is 1 itself, and then we will have 4, right? Because 2 into 2 times 2 square is 4. Here also we are going to use the same thing. We get these things, okay. Then 4 is also same. Now let's make it as the root, okay. Now let's make OP as root, okay. Let's convert the OP in the root, and then this will also be converted into the root form. Now we have some similar things over here in subtraction and addition, so we can cancel them, right? So what are the similar things? Minus x square and x square. So x square are positive and minus x square are negative, and then when we cancel them we get 0. Now we have got the first step, and then we have plus 1 over here and minus 1 over here, right? So we can cancel plus 1 and minus 1 also. Now what is left? Now the things that are left is 2x and plus 2x. Now here these are the only two things which we have left now. So when we add both of them, we get 4x by 4. By 4, why? Because 4 is as it is, as the denominator. Now we have OP is equals to, okay, now OP is equals to 4x by 4, right? So I cancel this both 4's, and now we are getting only root x. So therefore OP is equals to root x, right? So OP is equals to root x. Now this was now here we get the root x, right? We had to find OP square. Now this was OP square, right? We were just finding all these things. We were doing all this process just for finding OP square. Now OP square is root x, right? So this was the answer for the question number 4 from exercise 1.5. Now we will go to our next question, that is question number 5, in our next video, inshallah. Till that, assalamu alaikum.